Achoo! I sneezed, but did you know that holding in one could actually be deadly? Holding in a sneeze could be polite, but it actually could be dangerous. Sneezes can go up to 100 miles per hour, and when you hold in all of that pressure, it has nowhere to go. So you can kind of see where this is going. This could burst blood vessels in your eyes, pop your eardrums, or even pop your throat. Newsflash, this happened multiple times. Next time you need to sneeze, don't hold it in. Instead, just sneeze into your elbow and say excuse me.